valuable and practical knowledge I gained in this course would probably be how to properly clean and maintain the machines. That's going to overall make you the best return on your investment with these types of machines. I mean, they're not cheap to buy. So learning how to maintain them properly from experts, probably the most valuable thing that you can possibly do.
After attending Solid Dose University, the confidence level we've got is extremely high compared to where we came in. It's a great primer, it's a great ability to get started without being the hands-on necessarily, but having some hands-on experience here allows you to get past the fear that you have and maybe the intimidation of running one of these machines. I think if I was describing the course to someone who had never heard of it, I would say that SDU is a type of course that you take when you want to talk to people who have been there and done that. The people who have hands-on, not only gone through the operation of the machines, but actually the design, the repair when things go wrong. They know how to avoid those things. They know how to train you to be better and prepare you to operate the machines in a real manner. Not so much the manual manner, but beyond the manual, beyond those things, to the intuitiveness, to understanding how the machine works and its personality.
There is no better investment than in yourself. So this class, there's no better investment than learning how to run machines like these, because that will pay off for the rest of your life. And it was actually a lot of fun. So go meet the people that run the facilities, that build the machines that you operate and stuff. There's tons of resources and networking inside of that alone, in addition to the education that happens here.